everyone, welcome back to another video. We're here at Access Models and the weather outside is bad, and you know what that means. It's railway season. Let's go. So we're going to start by having a look at our Locomotive collection. So these are just the ones we've got in store at the minute. We keep them by the till for now, but they will end up in the back room. So if I just pick out a couple of these maybe. This one's a nice one. This one is the Ransoms and Marabia 45T steam breakdown crane. These were popular in the 20th century and they were used for railway maintenance and recovery operations. They could lift up to 45 tonnes, so that's very interesting. I'll go for this one of her nice colours. This one is a Class 47 Galloway Princess. This one gained its name from the Royal Princess class ship, Galloway Princess. Interesting fact. Got a few more, all different price ranges. One of them's sound fitted, one of them's not. Yeah, and then down here, more Carriages. There's some more in the back, we'll go through those. We've got some little Engage ones here, nice little ones there. And then we've got a small collection of die-cast cars. We've got loads of these on our website you can get a hold of. So if you're into die-cast, have a look on there. And then down here, we've got a load of different types of tractor in die-cast as well. £10 to £12 these ones range. So yeah, let's go back and have a look at the railway accessories. So before we go on to the accessories, we're going to have a look at some coaches and wagons. So we've got a good selection here. We've got a sleeping car from Bachmann. We've got, what's this one? A Thompson composite brake LNER teak. Oh, that's very long. MK2A BFK Rake First Corridor BR Regional Railways weathered and with fitted passenger figures. Okay, and then we've got a nice little selection of Hornby coaches. This one, we've got a lot of maroon ones. BR X LMS long corridor composite coach. Lots of similar ones here. All little maroon ones. Restaurant buffet BR Intercity Mark 1 catering coach. Then we've got some more maroon ones. There's lots of maroon ones. Another one behind there. Okay, and then down here we've got some smaller wagons. We've got Stewart's and Lloyd's Limited. I think we've got several of those. I don't know what that one is. 13-ton high-sided open wagon. Binley. And then we've got some more coaches. Thompson First Class Corridor BR Crimson and Creed. Lovely. Oh, what's this? These are all double O gauge, by the way. Forgot to say that. War flat bogey flat wagon BR grey. Definitely need one of those. A little Hornby one here, Mineral Industries Limited. And then, oh, more maroon ones. They like the maroon ones, don't they? And then Wharton. We did have a Coleman's one, but I think we sold that one. Now let's look at some train sets. This one, I can't reach. The Mallard. We sell loads of these from Hornby. £199.99 for that one. There's not a lot to say on it, it's just a Mallard, isn't it? People like it. Up here, the Suburban Salsa. That's an Engage one, so lovely from Bachmann. Green Farish, very good. And then down here, they're a bit spread out, you see. Thomas and Friends, great for a present, £139.95. Comes with your train, a couple of coaches. Thomas's eyes move side to side. And it's a circle track. This one, Station Pilot. This is our best-selling train set. Mallard comes close, but this one does more from Bachmann. This one, double O gauge, Station Pilot, great place to start. £199.50. You get everything you need to start out. This is a much more cost-effective way of getting into railway buying a train set. You track and control it. Great news. Stop. Okay, now we're going to look at some track. So we've got some starter track sets here. A couple of N-gauge, a couple of double O gauge. We've got a second radius double O gauge at the back, third radius double O gauge at the back on that side. Then we've got first radius N-gauge, second radius N-gauge. Everything you need to start out track-wise. And that's set track, so that should make a perfect shape. Then we're going into Pico track. Pico track, there's two main types. So you've got set track and you've got streamline track. Set track is good for beginners because it's basically made to form perfect shapes, so you don't have to do any jigging, you just have to clip it together and it will all go together nice like a jigsaw. Streamline track down here, it's a little bit more DIY, so when you're into railway, become a bit more creative, different radiuses, different directions, just for more of the professional people. If you want to give it a go, then great. Got some packs up here, different radiuses. So on here, on the pack, it tells you what it makes. So this pack of 8 will make a semicircle. So if you want to make a circle, you buy 2 of those and then make a whole circle. Very interesting fact there for you. Same with Engage here. Got some set track and Engage, some nice packs there. And then down here we've got some smaller ones. So Streamline, Engage here as well. Again, for the more DIY, you can get a bit more creative with those. If you're starting out, you want set track, which is ST, not SL. In the middle here, we've got lots of accessories going with your track. We've got fixing nails, so that's how you can pin your track down. It's better to use this than glue a lot of the time, because then if you want to move your track about, you can pull it back up again without ruining it. So you need a little hammer to get that in. And it goes in the little holes. You'll see them if you look close, the little holes along the track in there. You probably can't see them on the camera. We've got some switches here, all electrical bits to get your trains going and moving in the right directions. Some turnout motors, point motors, all sorts really. We've got some rail joiners there, or fish plates, they're insulated. And then over here we've got some metal conducting ones. And then down here we've got Hornby track selection down here. That's it really. And then down here, these ones don't hang up. That's why they're down here. So you've got packs of all different types. These are all on our website as well. Got some little ones down here. ST1 standard straight. Tiny little Engage track. These are perfect for filling gaps. Oh, DCC kit if you want to upgrade your railway track. Your railway layout, DCC upgrade kit there. That's this wall complete. Okay, down in my little alcove down here, we've got the station pilots that I showed you earlier. We've got some backdrops down here, so if you've got a layout against a wall, city backdrop there, people like to put these up to like take pictures of there. Dock extensions, you know, whatever you fancy. And then got another background, plain sky. That's what it will look like. Different plain. Got some tunnels down here. Engage, I believe. So, you know, your little train go through there on its track. Makes a nice bit of detail. Got a static grass applicator here. I've got loads of static grass in. This is a good place to start. Comes with some, let me open it up. Comes with some grass. A little bit of grass to get you started. Your applicators there, that's just a mini one. We do sell big ones as well. I think that's your electricity. If you want to get into that, it makes a world of difference. And then here, staying on the theme of track from earlier, these, oh, this is going to be hard to get out. They're flexi track. So these are part of the Streamline range that I was talking about. Don't know if I can get that out actually. You can see how little they are. I'll show you the AA version, because I'll be able to get those out. So these, whoa, these are flexible, so you can basically bend them. Let me get one out. You can bend like this, look. So if you want, like I said with the Streamline track, you can get a bit more creative. These ones you can do a little bit of a corner, you can do a little bit of a wiggle, depending on where you want it to go. It gives you a little bit more freedom than just pieces of straight track or curved track. You can basically bend it whichever way you want to go. Good thing to have. Okay, on here we've got different selection of accessories. So we've got some fencing along here in AA gauge, AA/HO. Got some platform kits down here, Pico set track, stone edging. Ah, that one's flat, that one goes up. Platform ramp edgings, this is all AA down here. Gates and stiles, gas lamp posts. They're all little accessories just to add some detail. We've got some corrugated glazing there, steel, just things to add detail. Doors, gates, windows, porches. We've got some figures up here, Engage up here. Some little ones on top here as well, I've got to fit them on. That's AA there, 176. But these are in from Bachmann. Civil engineers, 1960s and 70s station staff. Then we've got some Engage line side kits. Platform edging again, but in a smaller scale. Guttering and downpipes. Again, fencing, spear fencing. Just a little bit of extras to add some detail to your track. Got some AA gauge gravestones down there. If you want to make a graveyard, a little bit specific, but you know. These are our basic controller for railway from Gauge Master. We sell loads of these. They're just a single track controller, very easy to set up. Wheels, kit, scenery, and then office buildings, servicing kits, a couple of booklets there, more tools. So on this end, we've got some more electrical items. So we've got some different coloured wires here. So basically what people use them for is when you're wiring up all your electrics on the railway, you use different colours, then you can differentiate where things go. Because if you have all the same colour wire, then you become in a mess because you don't know where each one leads. So we do different colours. We've got orange, yellow and purple there. Got some others for different purposes with clips on the end here. So yeah, it just keeps things a bit neater. Basically, that's why we like to stock it. Got precision oiler here from Expo. This is to keep your locos running smoothly, keep them oiled. Wheel scraper for cleaning. We also do a track rubber, I think that was back over there. Really good for cleaning your track off. And then on here we've got a few more accessories. We've got asbestos sheets, satellite dishes, put on your little houses. One of my personal favourites, station modernisation pack. We've got vending machines, little ticket machines, time announcements, the little screens that tell you when your trains come in. Love that. Bicycles and a stand for them. So you can put your little wheels in here and put a bit of detail in the streets. Oh, on the end here, this is what you hammer your track tacks in with. You know, the ones I showed you earlier, the nails. To put your track down, you want a little one like this. It's called a ball pine hammer, I believe. And it just knocks them into place. Got post boxes here. Engage, these ones are. Some engage pigs if you're making a little farm. Put them in a field, rolling around in mud, whatever you fancy. Engage re-railer there. You can get re-railers to put your locos back on your track. So when they come off, if you use one of these, you get a bit more of an accurate, it's just more accurate to get your trains back on in the right way and then they won't come off again. Yeah, a couple more things down here. Platform accessories, a little clock, some benches here, double O gauge platform benches. I think that's all. Before we finish, let's have a look at Metcalfe. Metcalfe is basically a brand that exclusively do cardboard little houses and buildings for railway. And I suppose dioramas, if you want to build a little scene, you could use these for dioramas. They do both scales, N gauge and double O gauge, both of the main ones we stock anyway. So here you can see, I mean I won't show you them all because there's so many, but they do things like platform kits as well, so not necessarily whole buildings. Footbridge there, so sort of your platform accessories. And then you've got buildings like country stations. I'll just show a few here. We've got some bridges, terraced houses, low relief. Say you're putting it against a wall, like sort of the back of your scene, it's basically half of the house. So you can see, yeah, you can see on there it cuts off halfway to what the house would be. Whereas ones like this parish church here is the whole building. So you'd put the whole building ones, you'd put them in the middle of your sort of layout. These ones are for the sides of your layout. So it sort of creates that border. Again, we've got a low relief pub and shop, so you can see that serves the same purpose. So you'd be putting that on the edge. Let's have a look at some double oak. Brick sheets, they also do sheets, so you could use them for detail. Cobblestones. What else have we got? Bridges, platforms. They do the same things in double O and N. So whatever you need, you should be able to get it. They do full kits as well. So this is a manor farmhouse, but you can basically get all of the extras go with it. So if you look on there, it tells you the codes of the other things. So you can create a whole sort of farmhouse layout, which is very cool. Here you go, these are the ones I was looking for. So you can get Grange House, workers' cottages, so full buildings there. They're very lovely when they're built up. Really nice quality. I've built them myself as well. All you need is some card glue. They're already pre-painted and they just cut out of their little card bits. It's very easy. As you can see, we've got plenty, but I think I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let us know if you want us to do a video on anything. Let us know if you want any information. We've got plenty in the shop to show you all, so let us know if there's anything specific that you want to see. Thank you for watching. Bye.